Hi guys, it's me again. And have you and uh I you've been noticing that I'm the only one that's uploading videos. It's because all of my friends are offline, and as you see, Eman went offline to see my video. And if uh, if I had my energy back, I would link it back to the link it in the description. But you can find it because we only have 3 videos. I'm actually not that camera shy, but you know I don't want any face cams, which is that. Oh, we went online. Just look at the edits. In myself, I sound like an 11-year-old, but with this mic, I do sound like a 5-year-old. And if my friends were watching this, they would be laughing right now. My friends are mean, but I can be meaner. They actually threw a pencil to my classmate and it broke and his head bleeded. I told him to stay. That's why I got kicked out from my old school. And I am on my old school, and these are my new friends. Uh, we have fun with it. I'll be editing this video. Sometimes I miscreate things. I'm a Nile girl, so yeah. But I don't want fighting with you guys, so let's let it slide. Okay, let's not talk about that too much. But if you mess with Britain's Harry Shabina, I, I, it's not my, it's not my responsibility. But she does, she did tell me, she did tell me, just the truth. I'm not crying. No, really, I like Nile. I like food. I'm actually a lot of fun. I actually like food. I actually would like cake. They say I'm cutest, and I am. And I would like to do that, and it's 3 minutes, and that will be hard to upload because I have to stare at the internet for like hours and hours just joking. Just can stare at it for 3 minutes. My internet is fast. No, not that fast. But I'll give you more editing from me. And yeah, so it's already 4. Okay, bye. See you later.